Good morning everyone. Good morning monkey. Are you all ready for another maths lesson? Today we're going to be doing some more adding. But instead of using a tens frame, we're going to be using something different, aren't we monkey? Do you want to get it? Okay. Oh, it's quite big this one, isn't it? We're going to be using the part whole model. Do you remember it? We've got two circles that represent the parts, and then we've got the lines that come up, and then the top circle is representing our whole. So it's called the part whole. We're going to be using this to help us today with our adding. We're also going to be using the counters again. What have you done with your counters, monkey? Oh, there they are. So do you remember the counters? So Monkey and I will have counters again each, and one of us will have red and one of us will have blue. And don't forget, just like before, you can use your coins instead. Okay, are you ready for the lesson? Let's get started. Monkey, do you remember what this one's called? That's right, it's called the part whole diagram. At the bottom there are two circles which we're going to put some counters into. And then when we add them together, we can move our counters up to make the whole number. So should we get our counters, monkey? You've got the red ones. And I've got my blue ones. Put my blue ones over here. Ooh, let's turn it over. Okay, monkey, how many are you going to put in your part? So Monkey's put 2 in his part. I'm going to put 3 in my part. So Monkey's got 2, I've got 3. And now we want to add them all together, don't we? So we're going to push them up the line into the hole. So there goes my 3. And there goes Monkey's 2. So we've put them all together to make the hole. So how many have we got all together? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 add 2, 3 add 2, when put together equals 5. In this part of the lesson, we're going to be looking at pictures, at images of the part whole diagrams. Now I've got 1, 2, 3 different part whole diagrams. And we're going to do the first one together. And our challenge is to look at the two parts. So in this part there are blue dots, and in this part there are pink dots. And we're going to combine those two groups and add them all together. So how many blue dots are there in my first part? It's 1, 2. And how many pink dots are there in my second part? 1, 2. So we're working out 2 add 2. I wonder how many that is altogether. How can I work it out? Oh yes, let's count them. So I've got 1, 2, so it's 2 in my head for the blue dots, counting on, 3, 4, 4 all together. Now I can move them up into the hole to check. So I'm going to move my blue dots up first. 1, 2, keep 2 in your head as we move the pink dots up. 3, 4. So we have 4 all together. 2 add 2 equals 4. Now it's your turn to work out how many dots there are altogether in the other two part whole diagrams. How many purple and red dots are there altogether? And how many green and orange dots are there altogether? Monkey and I liked using our part whole model today. We liked putting our counters into our own part on the model and then moving them up together so that we could find out the whole number. We hope you enjoyed using your part whole today too. Bye bye.